Hi my friends! Today I want to show you how to make the paper Christmas tree. Let's go! We need 2 paper squares and a paper sheet. Fold the bottom edge to the upper one. Unfold. Rotate and repeat the previous step. Turn over and fold the bottom corner to the upper one. Unfold. Rotate and repeat the previous step. Fold it using the creases. Fold the left edge to the center line. Unfold and flatten the corner. Turn over and repeat the previous steps. Hide the corner inside. The module is completed. Fold the second module this way. Take a paper sheet, fold the bottom edge to the upper one, unfold. Fold both left corners to the bottom and upper edges, unfold. Fold this part using the creases. Fold the left edge to the center line. Unfold and flatten the corner. Make a crease along the edge. Unfold. Fold the upper edge to this one. Unfold. Repeat it with the opposite side. Turn over and fold this part using the creases. Open the right part and fold the right edge to the central crease twice. Repeat the previous steps with the opposite side. The third module is completed. Connect them together. Insert the corner into the pocket. The Christmas tree is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!